So I just picked a scab. You know, I burned my scalp. What's up everyone? I think this will be the second time I do it at home without a professional, so let's see how that goes. Let us go to the YouTubes to see what people are doing at home. So I have my laptop right here. So we're just gonna search silver hair. I've watched a few tutorials. I just wanted to make sure I have a good idea of what I'm doing. Hopefully all my hair doesn't fall out because I do not look good bald. And now I'm watching a Brad Mondo video of him reacting to people going black to silver. So I don't know if he's gonna make another one of these videos, so hopefully my tutorial doesn't go bad. That way I don't end up in one of his videos. I'm kind of regretting telling my friend that I wanted to bleach my hair because I kind of like my black hair. Here I'm just cutting my hair before I bleach it. Let me know in the comments below if any of you want to see a tutorial on how to cut your hair at home. Hey, what's up everyone? It's part of the day where I go from black hair to like silverish, grayish color. Doing this all myself, so do not come for me in the comments. Do not take my advice. I am simply doing all of this on a whim. Hopefully I don't end up on Brad Mondo's channel where he reacts and comments how idiotic I am when I my hair. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Let's get into what I got. Make sure that you're using a plastic bowl and brush. You don't want to use anything metal because it will react with the bleach. You're gonna need some gloves to protect your hands. L'Oreal Quick Blue Powder Bleach. I did purchase a 40 volume developer at first, but I did end up going back to Sally's to do 30 volume instead. Then we have the two quote-unquote toning products that I use. They were out of all the great toners at the time, so I had to go with the recommendation of the lovely Sally's lady. Main toner I used was in the color Frosty Ash. I then added 4 drops of the Cooling Violet color additive and mixed both with this sensitive Scalp 20 volume developer. Finally, here's the semi-permanent color in titanium that I mixed with this coconut oil conditioner. Anyone else dance in the mirror like this? Before we wreck my hair, here's some clips of what my virgin hair looked like. So the first thing I did was separate my hair into 4 equal sections and clip them up. Then I mixed the bleach and developer in a 1:2 ratio. Make sure that your bleach mixture is sort of like a pudding consistency. I made sure to only put it on my mids and ends, making sure to keep it off my roots since they do process faster. I wouldn't recommend using the foil just because it did take a while for me to do this by myself. If you do have someone to help you, you could maybe use a foil, but I would just skip it. After I applied the bleach, I did let it process for about an hour since my hair does take a little bit longer to process. This is where I started to panic a little bit and my hair looked very splotchy because of the foils. It looks crazy. I need to go to Sally's. I need to go get a 30 volume developer instead, just so I don't burn my scalp. Since it took me so long to put the foil, the left side is taking a little bit longer. I should have let this a little bit or saturated a little bit more. It's very splotchy, kind of scared. You know, let this side process a little bit more. I'm gonna shampoo it out, go to Sally's, get the 30 volume developer instead, probably 2 bottles of that. Don't know if you can hear me, but don't have any more space on my phone to film, so I'm reading my laptop. Shout out to my 7-year-old MacBook. This is a 30 volume developer. I got another 20 volumes, so 2 of those. More bleach, L'Oreal Quick Blue. Anyways, we're gonna get back to bleaching my hair. Here's a messy reveal. So yeah, it just took so long with the foil to get to this side, so that's why this side's darker. So I guess the orange hair didn't scare me off, and I went ahead and did a second round of bleach. I created the same mixture as before and I went ahead and applied it to my mids and ends, making sure to not get it on my roots. Time is of the essence, so make sure you are working and applying the bleach very quickly. But yeah, after I was done hitting my mids and ends, I went to my roots and then I just let it process and sit for another hour. Bathroom is incomplete. Just have to start usually getting hot and itchy. So let this probably sit for like 30 minutes. So this is what it looked like after the second application. I couldn't really tell what the color was since the bleach does have a blue tint. And I also really don't remember taking this photo set, but thought it was cute, so I thought I'd include it. Then I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned my hair like normal. Here's me getting some soap in my eyes, and then finally revealing the super yellow hair that I had. Kind of reminded me of ramen noodles. My hair felt pretty strong still, so I opted to do one more round of bleach since I knew my hair could handle it. And I just did the same mixture and applied it again, making sure to basically touch up everything that was yellow. I let this last round of bleach sit for like 45 minutes. It did feel like it was melting my hair off. Here I'm just putting a hair mask on with some coconut oil. I had a dinner to go to, but I wasn't finished with my hair yet, so I just wanted to condition it. After dinner, this is what my hair looked like dry. I did shampoo out the hair mask in coconut oil just so the toner could stick to my hair. So the next step is toning. I mix the Frosty Ash toner with 4 to 5 drops of the Cooling Violet color additive along with the 20 volume developer, and just mix that really well. When applying the toner, I would suggest putting it on as fast as you can, that way the color deposits evenly. Then I went ahead and washed it out with this Vanilla Purple shampoo and the coconut oil conditioner. And this is what my hair looked like after the toner. I really wish I just stopped here and kept this color because I think it looks super cool. The final and last step of this process is just go ahead and mix the color with the conditioner. I only use probably half of the tube just because I don't really have a lot of hair. Quick tip for anyone coloring their hair, put Vaseline all around your hairline. When I was applying the color to my hair, I kind of was just going every which way. I would suggest trying to work from back to front, just like you did when you applied the bleach to your hair. Side note, my roommate and I have a corner of our bathroom where we collect dollar bills. Yeah, I know we're weird. Just shampooing my hair like normal, and bam, this is what my hair looked like. What's up everyone? So, it's been like 2 days since I finished bleaching my hair. Silver, bluish. Sunlight's making it look a lot more darker than it is. It's actually super light. So we're in my apartment balcony and this is what my hair looks like. The sunlight did make it look a little bit lighter than it was. Here's some clips of what my hair looks like indoors. Hey everyone, so it is a month and a half later. I'm about to finish editing this video, but I just realized that I don't have any footage of an outro, so this will be my outro. Hopefully all of you who made it to the end of this video found it educational and somewhat useful. I honestly really had no idea what I was doing. This was my first time doing it by myself at home, so I think it came out pretty well. But yeah, hopefully all of you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like it. If you wanted to follow along all my random adventures, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see all of you in the next video. Oh yeah, look at all those stray hairs. Whoa, this is such a flattering angle.